Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link PayPal to Cebuana Lhuillier. First, ensure your PayPal account is fully verified and you have a valid Cebuana Lhuillier account ready. We will then walk through the simple, step-by-step process of connecting these two financial services. Finally, I'll show you how to efficiently withdraw your funds, discussing typical processing times and any associated fees. This guide aims to make the entire process smooth and straightforward for you. Before you begin linking, it's crucial to have everything in order. Make sure your PayPal account is completely verified, as this is a fundamental requirement. You'll also need an active Cebuana Lhuillier account with all your personal details accurately registered. Additionally, prepare a valid government-issued identification document, such as a passport or driver's license, as it might be needed for verification during the process. Being prepared saves time and prevents potential issues. Now, let's get to the linking process. First, log in to your PayPal account and navigate to the Withdraw Funds or Send Money section. From there, select Cebuana Lhuillier as your preferred withdrawal option. You will then be prompted to accurately input your Cebuana Lhuillier account details, including your name and account number. Carefully review all the information you've entered, then confirm the linking process through the on-screen prompts to finalize the connection. Once your accounts are successfully linked, withdrawing funds is straightforward. Simply initiate a withdrawal from your PayPal balance, selecting your newly linked Cebuana Lhuillier account as the destination. Typically, you can expect the funds to be available for pickup within 2 to 4 business days. Always double-check all transaction details before confirming to prevent any delays. Remember, a small transaction fee may apply, so be aware of that when planning your withdrawals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.